Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I have been getting a lot of questions about which platform to use for running ads related to pay-per-call so that we get good results. Should we run them on Google Ads or on Facebook Ads? Look, first understand clearly that this thing does not depend on which offers you are running the ad. Alright, for example, I recently showed a payment proof in my payment proof video, which I think was for around $480. I'll put the link to that video in the description. So there you can see that the ad I am currently running is for plumbing. All right. And the second ad that I am running is for pest control. Apart from pest control, I am also running ads for the same category. I am running both inbound and outbound ads. All right. So now, why am I running these ads and why am I running them only on Google? And as for the recent last year, if you guys have seen my payment proof for pay-per-call, then you would know that I ran a scholarship ad on Facebook. So why did I run the scholarship ad specifically on Facebook? Look, first of all, understand here how this works and how we can figure out whether we should run ads on Facebook or on Google. So let me first tell you the advantages of both and also mention some disadvantages. On Google, the audience is highly targeted. Compared to Facebook, Google has a much more targeted audience identity there, but the CPC on Google is also much higher. On Facebook, targeting is much less possible. You can use Excel to do targeting. But if you ask me, Facebook ads are very poor when it comes to targeting. But if I talk about its CPC, it's very low. So advertisers get a big benefit from this. But if you personally ask me, like, if I want to run a profitable campaign, if I want to run a campaign related to pest control, then no one. Anything related to pest control, people won't go and search for it on Facebook. They'll go and search for it on Google. That's where they'll search. Whatever ad copy they see there, they'll click on it and make a call. Now, there are very few people who are just sitting on Facebook, see some display or banner ad there, and then click on it to make a call. All right. The second thing is, even if you do get calls from this, the calls are so non-targeted that no company will pay you any amount for them. That's why I don't prefer Facebook ads at all. I actually use Facebook at almost zero level. Whenever we run ads related to e-commerce, that's when I prefer Facebook or Instagram. But apart from e-commerce, whenever I run any type of ad, like whether it's for a clinic or or related to games or related to calls or any other thing, what I focus on is that I always go with Google Ads because there are a lot more searches happening here. Now, some people have also asked me, brother, can you tell me about some ads that if we run them on Google, we can become profitable? And can you also tell me about some ads that if we run them on Facebook, we can become profitable? So I'll give you some examples of ads that if you run them on Google, you will become profitable. The most profitable ad running these days is this one, plumbing. All right. The second ad that is performing very well on Google Ads is this one. Home services, this is an ad that performs really well throughout the entire year. All right. In home services, you can work on washing machines. You can work on washing machine repair. You can work on TV repair. There are many such things you can work on. And third, what else can you do in this? You can work on pest control. All right. All three of these ads are performing really well for you. Look, pest control is performing right now, but in the next hour, one ad will perform and a lot of people will come. So these two, will perform really well. So you can work on these on Facebook. Which ads can you work on? You can work on insurance ads. All right. You can work on ads related to insurance. Second, scholarship related. And third, admission related. Okay. You can work on these. So why all these ads? If you are working on caller ads, then you can work on Facebook as well. So I hope that any doubts you had about which is best for pay-per-call, Google Ads or Facebook, have now been answered. So that's all. I think you must have liked this video. So if you found any useful information, do like the video, definitely share it. And if you want to know more about pay-per-call, if you want to learn, you can contact me. I can teach you such methods in pay-per-call where you won't face any losses at all. Okay. I have many such powerful methods with me. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.